Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ajit Rathore, and in this video we'll see how to use the count formula in Microsoft Excel. So let's start the video. So let's see first what does it do. Count. This function counts the number of numeric entries in a list. It will ignore blanks, text and errors. So the count formula in Excel will count only the numbers in the list. It will ignore if any text and errors in the list. Syntax, type syntax count, then in bracket we can provide the range which needs to be counted. Formatting, no special formatting is needed. Now let's see this with example. So I've taken a table here, so in which there are 3 columns which needs to be counted, and this is the result output where we applied the formula, and this is syntax. So let's clear this syntax first. Sorry, we have cleared this formula. I've kept this syntax just for the information if you want to check. Okay, so let's apply the formula. Count, tab. Now provide the range. So I am selecting from column EDC and close the bracket and press enter. I got the result here. Now control D this formula to all the below cells. So I got the result. So now if you see, the first one is 3. So we have seen the definitions or the action of count function. What it does do, it count the numbers, but it will ignore the text and blank, right? So on the first row we have 3 numbers, and when we applied the formula we got 3 count. Okay, but in second again 3, but there is a 0, but 0 it consider as a number. So again 3, here again we have 3 number, so it doesn't bother whether the number is a negative or positive, it will count the number. Okay, here again there is a date, so there are 2 numbers and 1 date, so it is still counting that date as a number. Here there is a time along with 2 numbers, there is a time, it is counting that as well, so 3 entries. Here some decimals, so it is counting that as well. But here if you see, there is a blank, so we have 10 and blank, and then there is a number, and the formula is given output of 2 numbers. Now count is 2, that means it doesn't count, it ignores the blank. Okay, now in next row we have hello count. There is a text in here, so again the formula gave us output of 2 count, so that it ignores even the text as well. And on the last row we have formula error, so count is output result is again 2, so it ignores even the formula error as well. So now I have taken another example wherein there is a table and there is a items which are purchased or whatever the stock. So, and this is monthly stock or value. So we have for the month of January bricks 1000, wood there is a text, then glass 2000, metal 1000 number. Similarly in February on the first row there is a formula error, then we have 5000 and 1000 and blank. In March formula error, then blank and text and blank, and the formula we have already applied here. So let's apply again, count, and now provide the range, close the bracket and press enter. So we got 3. Okay, so it's ignored this text here. We have total 4 count, but it has ignored this stock. That means, which we have discussed in the beginning, right? It ignores the blank and text and error as well. If you see here, there are 3 entries in total, 1 blank and 3 entries. However, it has considered only these 2 numbers. It has ignored the formula error as well as the blank. For the month of March, there is a text and formula error and 2 blank cells. It has not considered anything. it doesn't consider, it ignores the blank, it ignores text, it ignores again blank and formula error. So the output is 0. That's it in this video. I hope you are liking this video and found it useful. Also, if you are liking this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and please click on the bell icon as well, so that you are notified whenever I come up with new Excel tips video. Thank you and have a nice video.